Hi.
Hello.
How are you?
Do you need to film at all? Welcome to Southfest.
Oh, that was a nice greeting. Thank you.
Wait, so one of our biggest struggles was like getting parents to actually show up. So kind of our alternative to that is Southfest. So our whole idea behind Southfest is celebrating the learning going on at South Middle School. So a lot of our teachers came together to make this happen. Particularly our subject area leaders have really put a ton of work into this, making the event special. We've gotten raffles and stuff, and our different organizations within South donated different prizes so families could get excited about the event. And the kids are enjoying it too because they are getting to showcase their work to their parents. I mean, we've definitely had a high turnout. I think we had like 300 or 400 RSVPs, which is awesome. Spring conferences in particular, it was really hard to get parents to come to them. And also conferences too are usually have that like negative connotation. So for this, it's getting like positive interactions between the staff members and the parents in the community. Everybody seems kind of excited. The kids too, because they're getting to show their parents their work. So we get to like show them around their schedule and everything. So it's a really cool opportunity for them.
You get to show your parents the classrooms and have fun with your parents, I guess.
Okay. Parents, why is this different and better?
I think it's different because it's more of a loose, relaxed environment where the parents can talk, they can to other parents, or they can see what their kids are involved with throughout the day. And you just get more involved in what they do throughout the day.
We, as a staff, wanted to involve the parents more and figure out a way to get them to come to South. So rather than the traditional parent-teacher conferences, we're like, let's feed them and let's offer some fun time with their kids. That's where we came up with it. Lots of smiles. Yeah, it's more lighthearted. It's not as serious necessarily, and that's okay. It's one of these where we have advertisements throughout the school, showing of what's coming up, different services that they can tap into if they don't know about it. It's really just to know more about South and what we offer.
I think tonight's so different from every other back to school night because the kids get to show off all the different parts of our school. They get to go into the classrooms and kind of talk to the teachers. It just is more fun and kind of celebrating everything we have here at South.
Yeah, it's just a way to get everybody together into South and to have some fun and interact with each other, play some fun games and win cool prizes.